Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss answer key of class 10th science paper set 1. So the first question here from the second chapter only, acid, base and salt. 2 ml of solution of sodium hydroxide added a few drops of zinc. So this is a simple reaction of base with metal, formation of Na2ZnO2 plus hydrogen gas. This is a balanced equation. Option B is the correct answer. Select the following decomposition reaction which is a source of energy for light. So answer here, third part, AgBr into Ag plus Br2. Next, a metal and a non-metal that can exist liquid at room temperature. So answer here is bromine and the mercury. Next, carbon compounds are bad conductor of electricity. Yes. They have a weak force of attraction. Yes. So second and fourth is the correct answer. Consider the following compound FeSO4, CuSO4, all CaSO4 and Na2CO3 which contain a maximum number of water of crystallization. FeSO4 contains 7, CuSO4 contains 5, calcium sulfate contains half. So this contains 10. So answer D is the correct. Oxides of aluminium and zinc are amphoteric. MnO2, HCl forming MnCl2H2O. So here MnO2 is oxidized, we can say reduced. MnO2 is reduced to MnCl2 and HCl is oxidized to Cl2. So MnO2 is reduced and HCl is oxidized. Next, consider following statement. So sex of a child is determined what is inherited from mother? No. Sex of child is determined by what is inherited from father? Yes. Probability of having a male child is more than that of female? No. The sex of child is determined at the time of fertilization. What male and female gamete fuse? To correct. So second and fourth statement is correct. Chromosomes carry hereditary information from parent to next generation? Yes. They are thread-like structure located inside the nucleus of animal cell. They are also present in the plant cell also. So always exist in pair of human reproductive cell. Even in plants also they are present in pairs. Are involved in the process of cell division? Yes. So first and fourth is the correct. एक और पॉइंट है, वैसे तो चारों स्टेटमेंट सही हैं बट दो स्टेटमेंट सिर्फ एनिमल्स के लिए बोली गई हैं, बट फर्स्ट और लास्ट जो एक जर्नल स्टेटमेंट बोला गया है, तो इट मे पॉसिबल कि आपका इसमें आंसर की में कुछ ना कुछ इसमें करेक्शन आए, वेयर डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. और इट मे पॉसिबल कि इस आंसर को ही मार्क कर दिया जाए क्योंकि सभी स्टेटमेंट्स काइंड ऑफ करेक्ट है. यहाँ पे प्लांट और एनिमल कुछ मेंशन नहीं किया है. In a nerve cell, the site where the electrical impulse is converted into chemical signal is known as neuromuscular junction. A stomata is closed when it needs carbon dioxide? No, it does not need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Water flow out of guard cells, water flow into the guard cell. So when water flow out of the guard cell, they just shrink and the stomata is closed. So third option is correct, and at the same time second option is correct because it does not need, so there will be no exchange of gases. So second and third is the statement is the correct answer. At what distance from a convex lens should an object place to get an image of same size? So same size can only possible when it is at a center of curvature, that is at 2f, that is at twice of focal length. The lens of a system human eye, an image of light sensitive screen here is the retina. The pattern of magnetic field line inside a current carrying conductor solenoid. Option A is the correct answer. It is uniform. Identify the food chain in which organisms of second trophic level are missing. So in the first, all the trophic level present. In this case, all the trophic level present. Here the second is missing. From grass to frog, not directly. There must be a grasshopper. So here we can say one of the trophic level is missing. In which of the following multiple fission takes place? Answer is the plasmodium. Then hydrogen gas is not evolved when zinc, correct, reacts with nitric acid. Nitric acid oxidize the hydrogen gas produced to water and itself get reduced. So this both are correct and correct answer A here. Accumulation of harmful chemical is maximum in the organism highest trophic level, correct. Harmful chemicals are sprayed on the crops to protect them from disease and pest. This is also correct, but this is not the answer of the first statement. So option B is the correct answer here. The rate of breathing in aquatic organism much faster. This is the statement is correct. The amount of oxygen dissolved in water is very high. This statement is wrong. It is low. So answer C is the correct answer. The rainbow is a natural spectrum. Yes, rainbow is formed in a sky when sun is overhead. And water droplets are also present. Yes, so A is the answer here.